There is a storm brewing inside Apple Park. While the world is still buzzing about the redesign of the M4 Mac Mini, a small group of engineers in Cupertino is finishing something that makes the current model look like a prototype. As we sit here in 2026, the leaks from the supply chain are no longer just whispers. They are a full-scale alarm. The Mac Mini M5 isn't just a spec bump. It is the final nail in the coffin for the high-end Windows desktop. We are talking about a machine that fits in the palm of your hand, but possesses the raw graphical power of a dedicated gaming rig and an AI engine that can outperform a data center. If you are about to buy a Mac Mini today, stop, because the M5 is about to change the rules of the game forever. Why is the M5 generation so different? To understand that, you have to understand the AI war. In 2026, Apple isn't just a hardware company, they are an AI company. And for the first time, the Mac Mini is being built from the ground up to be the brain of your local AI life. But there's a secret hidden in the thermal architecture of the M5 chip. Something Apple is trying to keep quiet, because it might actually make the $2,000 Mac Studio redundant. This is the story of how Apple is about to cannibalize its own lineup to win the desktop war. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, the M5 chip. While the M4 was built on a refined 3nm process, the M5 is the debut of the N3P enhanced architecture. This isn't just about speed, it's about density. The M5 is rumored to feature a 10-core CPU with a massive shift in how it handles efficiency. Leaks suggest the efficiency cores in the M5 are now as fast as the performance cores in the original M1. Imagine a computer that does 8K video editing while drawing less power than a light bulb. But the real shocker is the GPU. We are looking at a 45% jump in graphics performance over the M4. For the first time, a base model Mac Mini will be a legitimate 1440p gaming machine. We're talking about ray tracing 2.0 that actually works in real time, delivering visuals that used to require a massive NVIDIA card. But there is a mystery component appearing in the leaked diagrams. A neural accelerator inside every single GPU core. This is the secret sauce. Most computers send AI tasks to a separate chip, creating a bottleneck. The M5 destroys that bottleneck. It allows the GPU and the neural engine to mesh, resulting in AI tasks that are 3.5 times faster than the M4. Whether you're upscaling low-res video, running a local LLM, or generating images in seconds, the M5 Mac Mini is being positioned as a personal AI server. Now look at the design. After the massive shrink in 2024 to the 5 by 5-inch chassis, many thought Apple was done. But prototypes for the M5 suggest a move toward active-passive cooling. The M5 chip is reported to run hotter because of its higher clock speeds, hitting up to 108 degrees Celsius under load. To handle this, Apple is reportedly using a new graphite heat spreader that vents through the bottom of the machine more efficiently. But here's the hook. The M5 Pro version of the Mini is rumored to feature Thunderbolt 5 as standard. We're talking about 120 gigabits per second data transfer. You could offload a terabyte of 8K footage in the time it takes to sip your coffee. But we have to talk about the storage trap. For years, the base Mac Mini started at 200